Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by cutting power. Disconnect the negative battery terminal and wait about 1 minute so capacitors discharge. Next, remove the dash bezel. Insert a plastic pry tool at the seam and work clips outward. Remove any visible screws and stash them in order. Tilt the steering column down and slide your seat back to give yourself room. These steps protect electronics and let you reach the instrument cluster without forcing plastic, which prevents broken tabs and makes the rest of the job smoother. Once the bezel is off, remove the instrument cluster retaining screws and pull the cluster forward evenly. Support it so wires don't strain. Depress each connector tab and unplug the harnesses. If connectors look similar, label them to avoid mismatching. Turn the bulb sockets counterclockwise to release them from the back of the cluster, then swap the bulbs. Use bulbs rated for your Civic's voltage and color temp. LEDs need CAN-compatible types or resistors to prevent flicker. Reinstall sockets by aligning tabs and turning clockwise. Reinstall the cluster into the dash and reconnect all harnesses, making sure each plug clicks into place. Then loosely refit the screws. Reconnect the negative battery and turn the ignition to accessory to test backlighting, gauges, and warning lamps before snapping trim back. Once satisfied, tighten screws and reinstall bezel. If a light flickers or a warning appears, make sure connectors are fully seated, confirm you use the correct bulb type or LED resistor, and check the related fuse. That usually resolves common.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.